If si bank ay may PDIC as insurance, si cooperatives naman ay may federations or unions. Take note, hindi po insurance ang federations or unions. They will be the one to help that cooperative to prevent losses and save that cooperative. Kaya naman before pa pong mangyari ang lugihan o pagsasara ng kooperatiba, meron si federation or union na tutulong sa kanila para maiwasan. Yun lang kung naki-affiliate or naging member si co-op sa federation or union na yan. At kung nag-contribute si cooperative sa kanila ha. Ang trabaho po kasi ni federation or union ay i-monitor yung co-op na yan, pati yung kanilang mga financial statement. Lagi po yung binibisita ni union and they will strengthen their leadership and management. Kaya nga po puro pa sa amin